Hi guys, it's me again, RO in the bahay. And for today's, what other food review guys ito? Ano nabibili ko talaga dun sa Asian grocery na yan. Ayan, abang na yung anak ko. Ayan, paborito. Wait lang. We need to check, okay? We need to show them. Okay? So first, we have this lemon ice cream. So it's a lemon flavor ice cream. Summer lemon. Yan. Let's open it. Oh, God, yung anak ko. Yes, let's try this one first, okay? So, yeah, this is a lemon.
This a lemon ice cream.
Actually, na-try ko na tong mango. And it's very nice. We love it. Sandro loves it. It's his favorite ice cream. What's your favorite ice cream?
Yes.
Yes. So, look, guys.
I love it.
This is your favorite ice cream. Oh, no. See, this is the lemon. Lemon ice cream. And then we have, second one is the peach one. Tabi mo natin si Lemon. Hindi makita si Lemon. This is the peach one. Wait, Sandro. Let's show them first before we eat it, okay?
Okay.
Mommy will try everything first. Because Mommy bought it. Diba? Ang cute. Let's see the lemon, guys. I hope it's not so...
Lemon.
Okay, wait, Sandro, wait. And then, the second one, ang gulo ng pamilyang to, is
Sa
peach.
peach.
No.
You want Paw Patrol or you want ice cream? What do you want?
This is
Ice
the
cream?
peach one. Cute,
Wait.
diba? Smell peach. Wala masyadong smell. And then, last one.
Mommy.
Yes, wait lang, we have the mango, which is very good. We've been eating this for years. Napakilala na to sa amin ni ate. Sino nga yan si ate? Yes, si ate na binigyan kami na to. And hinanap ko talaga kung saan siya pwedeng mabili. And Sandro loved this. It really tastes like mango. Look guys. Diba? It's so nice, the ice cream. So we have lemon, peach, and mango. So I'll try the mango because Sandro cannot wait.
Mommy, this.
Mango is... Oh. We love the mango, guys. Lasang-lasa mo yung lasa ng mangga. Matamis na, yung manggang matamis. Parang apple mango, no? Then, I'm not a fan of peach. Pero ang cute-cute niya kasi. So, let's try. Ang sarap. Bigyan natin pa, bro. Masarap siya. Try it, bro.
Ang sarap pala namin niya.
O, diba? Kinuha niya lang. Oh, wala ka ng ano to. Kahit kagatan ko lahat to, kakainin to ni bro. Magkapatid naman ko eh. And then the lemon. I'm curious with the lemon. Kung anong lasa niya. Hindi siya masyadong lemon. No, it's not lemon. Ice cream lang. Vanilla ice cream lang. But kasi yung mango, lasang-lasa mo yung pagka-mango niya. Tikman mo.
Ano lasa?
Diba? Walang zest.
Dito pa man din ako excited.
Yes, I was so curious also. But see. Ha?